In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix payment methods declined on iPhone. If you're running into a decline message when you try to buy an app, subscribe to a service, or make any in-app purchase, don't worry. We're going to walk through a clean reset of your payment details, test alternatives, and make sure everything matches what your bank expects so your purchases go through smoothly. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top, tap your Apple ID banner, then choose Payment and Shipping. This is where Apple stores your billing details for the App Store, subscriptions, and other purchases tied to your account. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right Apple ID here is helpful if you manage multiple accounts. Next, remove the payment method that's being declined. Tap the card or method that keeps failing, scroll to the bottom, and choose Remove Payment Method, then confirm. Think of this like clearing a bad entry. Declines often happen because of a mistyped number, an expired date, a changed billing address, or a recent replacement card from your bank. Removing it gives us a clean slate. Don't worry, you'll add it right back in a moment. Now add the same payment method again from the payment and shipping screen by tapping Add Payment Method. Re-enter your details carefully. Type the full card number, check the expiry date, and enter the CVV exactly as it appears on your card. For the billing address, use the format your bank recognizes, including the correct street, unit, or apartment number if you have one, city, state, postal code, and country. The address must match your bank's records exactly, including abbreviations. Enter the name as it appears on the card and save. This precise match is key to passing your bank's security checks. If the same card still doesn't work, try adding a different payment method. Tap Add Payment Method again and add another debit or credit card, PayPal, or any other option Apple offers in your region. If a different method works immediately, that's a strong sign your original card has a bankside block, a limit, or another issue to resolve. If no methods work or your main card keeps failing, contact your bank or card issuer. Ask them to check for insufficient funds, temporary security holds, or restrictions on online or international purchases. Let them know you're trying to pay through Apple so they can review recent declines and lift any blocks. Finally, open the App Store and try your purchase again. You should be good to go. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.